How's it going, humans? We're in the shop today. We're going to use a lathe, and we're going to make an edge burnisher. That's over there now. So we're going to use cherry for this project. We're just going to mark off about 12 inches and cut that down. Now this is a new blade on my saw, and anybody who uses cherry knows it burns to a crisp whenever you cut it. I think it's that wood that just burns if you look at it the wrong way, like if you give it the side eye, but maybe that's just me. Now with that cut down, we can mount this on the lathe. We're just going to rough this down and kind of fly into hyperspace now. Like, look at all these wood chips. If only this was VR. So I'm just going to use different stacks of leather to mark out all of our burnishing grooves. We'll call them grooves. So I started with a 2mm groove on the small side and worked my way up to an 8mm groove. And for me, I think that's all the grooviness I can handle. Now we're going to mark out for our handle size, and you know, one hand will make a nice handle. So that pretty much takes care of the turning. Now we're just going to do some sanding, and I want to apply some beeswax to the grooves, and I thought melting it in would be a good idea. It was a little sketchy, so we just pushed it in and polished it. Turned out to be a lot smarter and safer. So now we're just going to pair this off. Ooh. Oh, stop. Good job. Oh no, that's the most satisfying sound. Can we go listen to that again? Oh, that was good. Was it good for you too? Oh, look at this, all nice and shiny with that beeswax. So arguably you don't need to wrap this in leather, but I had some calf lace and I wanted to, because it's something that I do. So just a nice simple wrap, nothing fancy, just functional. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, back to work. So we're going to put on some gum tragacanth and burnish this edge until it's nice and shiny, till all those fibers are laid down and it's smooth as glass. There you go, an edge burnisher. Burnish your edges, make them all nice and pretty. Simple, effective. Should I have just bought one? Probably. But I made it, and it's mine, and I'm happy. And it's broken. I don't know why I want to spin it. Not that good. But I can catch like a ninja.